Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel dedicated to all things modern kitchen decoration. Get ready to embark on a journey of culinary creativity and interior design inspiration. We are here to guide you through the art of transforming your kitchen into a sleek and stylish haven. From minimalist marvels to avant-garde aesthetics, we will explore the latest trends, share ingenious dye hacks, and showcase stunning makeovers that will elevate your cooking space. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, our videos are here to help you curate a kitchen that's as tasteful as the dishes you create. Join us as we delve into the realms of sleek lines, innovative storage solutions, and captivating color palettes. From open concept layouts that encourage seamless cooking experiences to smart gadgets that effortlessly blend functionality and style, we have got it all covered. Our channel is your go to source for in depth guides on selecting the perfect kitchen island, choosing statement lighting that sets the mood, and arranging chic decor elements that reflect your personal flair. We will also take you behind the scenes of stunning kitchen transformations, unveiling the magic that happens when culinary aspirations merge with modern design trends. Whether you are looking to revamp your space entirely or simply seeking fresh ideas to breathe new life into your kitchen, our video offer a wealth of knowledge and inspiration. Subscribe now and embark on a journey to create a modern kitchen that's truly the heart of your home. Thanks for watching.